In this video, I will show you step by step how you can promote Fiverr affiliate links on Twitter using free traffic. I will share with you guys one of my profitable affiliate services that I was promoting on Twitter to earn a lot of commission, okay? And as you can see over here, I made $10,110 in commission, and over here it's available in my balance. I will be able to withdraw this money by the end of this month. So anyways, I will share with you guys my method that I'm using to promote Fiverr affiliate links on Twitter. So make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't miss this new methods that I will share with you for free. Okay, so let's get started. So for people who want to start making money with Fiverr affiliates, what you need to do first, go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, so you just need to come to this page and scroll down like this, go to community and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website, so you can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying a good commission, guys, and you can make so much money. Okay, so just click over here on join now and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. What you need to do next, you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, account type, make it private. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no, and choose your country and choose your language. Okay, if you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. It's super easy. Okay, after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to choose a profitable services that you will promote on Twitter to earn commission. Okay, so how you can find good and profitable services, I will share with you guys one of my profitable services that I was promoting on Twitter to earn commission. Okay, so what you will do, just go back to your Fiverr homepage. Okay, go back to your Fiverr homepage like this and click over here on the search and search for logo design. Okay, search for a logo design service. Scroll down and here you go. You will find a lot of sellers here on Fiverr who are providing this service. So I want you to pay attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews, or like top rated seller. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so let's choose for example, I will choose for example this one. This one is top rated seller. He has a lot of reviews. Okay, I will click on his service. Just click on his service like this and the, you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. Okay, what you need to do next, you need to copy his profile link. Okay, so just copy his profile link and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools and click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click over here and put this seller profile link here. Okay, like this. Click over here again and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. So what you need to do next is you need to go to your Twitter account. Okay, so open your Twitter account like this. It's really super easy. Okay, if you don't have Twitter account, go to Google, search for Twitter, sign up by using your email address and that's it. Okay, after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. Okay, so what you will do next, you will click over here on the search and search for I need logo. Okay, search for I need logo, use this keyword. Okay, and here you go. You will find a lot of people here who are searching for someone to make a logo. Okay, like this one. I need a logo done. Okay, I need a logo designer. Okay, what you will do, those people are searching for logo designer. So let's take for example this one. Click over here on reply. Okay, like this. And what you will do next, you will go back to this seller profile page and you will copy his title. Okay, just copy his title and go back to Twitter and put this title here like this. And what you will do next, you will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and copy your affiliate link from here. Okay, go back to Twitter and put your affiliate link here like this. Okay, and here you go. So what you will do next, you just need to click over here on reply. Okay, and your reply will be sent to this person with your affiliate link. Okay, like this. Okay, so if this person is still looking for logo designer, he will check your affiliate link. If he click on your affiliate link, for example like this, he will be directly in this seller profile page on Fiverr. Okay, so let me show you. So he will be directly in this Fiverr seller profile page on Fiverr. Click on continue. He will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. It's super easy, okay? And those people are searching for logo designer, okay? So that's how you can promote Fiverr affiliate links on Twitter. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos.